afternoon, everyone. My name is Tina, and this is for Emily, Kelly, and Stella. We are all majoring in food science. Today, we are going to talk about the latest technology of food sterilization, high-pressure processing, and its abbreviation is HPP. And this is our outlines. Have you ever drunk this juice? It's a new product launched by 7-Eleven recently. This fresh juice is one of the applications of HPP. It maintains more original flavor and nutrition of fruits. But it is more expensive than other heat sterilization juice though. How does HPP work? And what are the differences between the HPP and heating sterilization? What are the other applications of HPP? Let's listen to our introduction.
Hello everyone, I'm Ford. And a few years ago, scientists found that HPP can kill bacteria. And nowadays, food industry use it to process food. And why we use it to process food? Let's see the picture below. You can see the right side is the picture that food did not process HPP, and the left side is processed HPP. This picture, and you can see that the inner content of this inner content was destroyed. Some part of it was destroyed, and this picture is not destroyed. And so the truth is that we can use it to process food and kill bacteria. And the principle of HPP is we use 100 to 1,000 MPa for 2 seconds to process food and kill bacteria. So we get get this picture. And next, if we use HPP, we'll embed the food. So let's see the picture. You can see if you put a grape in a bottle and you crush it, and you cannot crush a grape process inside. The truth is you can create a hydrostatic pressure by squeezing under water through a plastic bottle. No matter how hard you squeeze, you cannot crush a grape press inside, just as said. And the advantage of it is the hydrated pressure creates no shear force to destroy food particles. So the food will not be crushed. And how we do the process is this picture. First, it is very easy. First, you put food into a vessel and you put it in water. And next, we use pump to give it high pressure. And a few seconds later, we get our product. Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. And now I am going to introduce the microorganisms in foods. There are 4 kinds of common food microorganisms. The first one is E. coli, and it can be found in human intestine and presents in most kinds of foods. When people eat foods with it, they may get diarrhea or vomit in roughly 3 to 4 days. And the second one is Listeria. They cannot endure heat very much, so that they love to grow in cold foods like ice cream or salads. When people eat something with it, they can pregnant women, newborns, and elderly may get infected first. The third one is Salmonella. They are most found in eggs, poultry, and contaminated water. When people eat food contaminated with it, they may get fever or diarrhea. The fourth one is Campylobacter. They are mostly found in poultry and contaminated water. When people eat foods which is contaminated with it, it can cause intestinal disease and diarrhea. Take HPP treated samples for example. The purple triangle is hot dogs, the green circle is turkey, and the orange rectangle is beef. The up diagram shows that these three kinds of samples contains no microorganism after HPP treating. The down diagram shows that comparing with non-HPP sample, HPP-treated sample can keep its sterile status at least 59 days. Therefore, HPP is such an effective sterilization method.
Okay, now we are going to, my name is Carrie, and now we are going to show you the comparison between the HPP and the traditional high temperature sterilization. And as our group member have said that HPP is used the high pressure to sterilization. So as you can see that before the HPP have done, the microorganisms maintain their old shape, and now after the HPP we can see that their cell membrane have broken, so their inside content may release, so they will die. And as traditional high temperature sterilization is using the high temperature such as pasteurization, and HTST means high temperature short time. Is more some milk product may use this, and the UHT is ultra high temperature, and almost every kind of juice or milk or something that is liquid product may use this. And the preservative is no longer used in these two kind of product, but the HPP one may get a longer shelf life. So we would like to have the HPP, but and you can see the color, and you can see that we use HPP, we can maintain their pigments, so the color of juice may be more vivid, and the traditional one will lose their pigment because the temperature will destroy the pigment. And also in nutrition and flavor, some nutrition like vitamins or something can help digest. The enzyme that can help our digestion is also will be destroyed by the high temperature, and also in the flavor. So the advantage of high pressure processing may be they can maintain the color and nutrition and flavor. But the high pressure processing machine is more expensive than the traditional one. The HPP a machine may cost about $10 billion, but the traditional one maybe just cost $10 million. But the packaging, we can only use the plastic packaging and something soft to use in HPP because we need it to afford the high pressure. Only soft packaging and plastic can afford it. But if we use traditional, we can get something like metals or glass or something capable plastic. It can usually be used in traditional high temperature. So it depends on what kind of product you want. So you can choose HPP or traditional, but because the HPP is expensive, so now we usually use this high temperature sterilization.
Hi, my name is Stella. Now it's my turn to introduce the HPP products and application. Originally, HPP is used for other industries such as metallurgy, rock, glass, and plastic. And the food industry didn't use HPP until recent years. Now we focus on food product. In Taiwan, the main product is juice. For example, family collection juice. There are many kinds of flavors. For instance, watermelon, sugarcane, orange, kiwi, and so on. And there are also other companies' products. And in other countries, there are many kinds of food using HPP. For example, fruit product and dairy, soy product, wine, ready-to-eat meat, and salad, and infant food, and the seafood. And in this product, the products impress me most is crustacean. And now let's see the related video. And as you can see, besides sterilization, HPP can separate the shell and meat completely, causing higher utility, less waste, and makes later processing more convenient. And the HPP product have to coordinate with other processing to make sure the product is safe, no bacteria or other harmful things. They can coordinate with freezing, sealing, and storage room air control, humidity control, and pH control.
In conclusion, HPP is a new method to sterilize food without thermal treatment, so it causes less thermal damage and keep food close to their original form. HPP can not only apply to juice, but also apply to ham, cheese, seafood, etc. Next time, when you go to a convenience store or supermarket, why not open up your eyes and find out the product which use the HPP method? It's our report. Thanks for listening.